Hello dear students, welcome back to e-learning class of PNMRC High School. Let's continue chapter number 11, data types, operators and expression in C language of standard 10 computer. Let's start with the character. If we need to store a name of person, city, we have to use a keyword char. It requires 1 byte of a memory space. Each character is associated with an integer value called ASCII. By default, character is unsigned. It is possible to have signed character. This table shows description of character data type. First, char data type. Its byte required 1. Second, unsigned char. Its byte required 1. Next one is the empty dataset. C provides a special data type identified by keyword void. This data type has no value. Hence, we denote it to be a empty. C program consists constant functions like integer, float, etc. Function is C may return value. If we don't want function to return a value, then we can prefix it with void. In last statement, always all program is written 0. The statement tells the compiler to exit the function. Next one is assigning values to variables. Variable once declared can be assigned value during execution of the program. Value can be in lines of the specification of data type. To assign a value by following syntax: variable equal to value, data type variable equal to value. Example, if variable is a and its value is 10, then we can declare it a equal to 10. Next one is user-defined data type. Two keywords typedef and enum are used in C program to generate user-defined data type. Both keywords define a variable that can be used as data type in our program. Type definition. The syntax for using type definition is typedef, data type, variable, and semicolon. Here, data type refers to an existing data type, for example, integer or float. Variable refers to a new name that we want to assign to the available data type. Next one is enumerated data type. Enumerated data types can be created in C by using keyword enum. The syntax for using enum is enum identifier value 1, value 2, value 3 up to value n. Enum is the keyword, identifier is the name, can be used, define a new variable. Value 1 to value n refers to name of numeric constant 0, 1, 2, etc. The variable defined using enum can be assigned any numeric value or values given in curly bracket. An example of enum is enum money in curly bracket rupee, dollar, pound, yen and semicolon. Enum money currency semicolon currency equal to dollar semicolon. The first statement defines enumerated data type money. The next statement declares a variable currency of type money. The last statement assigns the value dollar to currency and is equivalent to currency equal to 1. Here, rupee, dollar, pound, and yen refers to numeric constants 0, 1, 2, and 3 respectively. These numeric constants are assigned by the compiler automatically.
Next one is a derived data type. Many times C gives basic data types may suffice our needs, but it may not appropriate due to complexity. Like we have a store 15 student, then we to define 15 variable. For same, we have to store all information of 15 student. To overcome these problems in C program provides derived data types. Examples of derived data types are array, structure, union, and pointers. Is array. To create a data structure called array. Data structure consists of group of variables having same property. The syntax for defining an array is data type variable inside the square bracket size semicolon and. Here data type can be any data type, user defined data type or derived data type. Example, character, name, underscore of, underscore subject, inside the square bracket 10, semicolon, and. Subject name example should be having size 10. So from this we can store group of 10 characters. Example, character, name, underscore of, underscore subject, square bracket equal to double quotes, C language, semicolon, and in C. Compiler automatically decide the length of the array.
Topic is operators. In mathematical operations like addition, subtraction of two numbers, plus and minus are symbols that identify the operations to be performed on the constants. An operator is a symbol that identifies the operation that can be performed on operands. The operators in C can be categorized into 8 types as mentioned. First, arithmetic operator. Second, assignment operator. Third, relational operators. Fourth, increment and decrement operators. Fifth, conditional operator. Sixth, logical operator. 7, bitwise operator. 8, spatial operators.
First one is the arithmetic operators. To perform an arithmetic operation, C provides basic operators like plus, minus, asterisk sign is used for multiply, forward slash is used for division, and next one is percentage. An operator for exponent is not available. This table shows the list of operators and its use. First one is plus, addition of a two operands or an array, plus. Minus, subtraction of a two operands or an array, minus. Asterisk sign or star, multiplication of a two operands. Forward slash, division of a two operands resulting in quotient. Percentage, division of a two operands resulting in remainder. C provides us an additional operator percentage known as modulo operator. It cannot be used with float operands. We can use the operator with one of the example of C statement. Total underscore cost equal to quantity multiply cost underscore item. Based on the operand used in the expression, the arithmetic can be categorized as integer arithmetic, real arithmetic, or mixed mode arithmetic. First one, integer arithmetic. Arithmetic is considered to be integer arithmetic when the operands used in the expression are positive, negative, or whole numbers. The expression here is called integer expression. The result of integer arithmetic is always integer. This arithmetic operator is real arithmetic. If all the operands used in the expression are float, the expression is called real expression. The result of real arithmetic is always represented in decimal values. Next arithmetic operator is mixed mode arithmetic. In this mode of arithmetic, to use integer as well as float operands within an expression. Output depend upon the data type of the variable to which value is assigned. An expression result equal to 25.75 multiply 5 semicolon. It is not directly possible to evaluate it. An expression can only be evaluated if all the operands used in it are of same data type. C allows mixed mode arithmetic. Take this problem. C allows automatic conversion of lower range data type to higher data type. We will continue this chapter in our next video. Thank you, students.